Music. Is Bark the Freelancer platform for you? Let's find out. I'll review Bark, connecting pros with clients needing various services. Check the description for links and resources. Bark caters to diverse industries, from business and creative work to health and wellness. Clients post requests, and professionals respond with tailored quotes. This two-way marketplace is ideal for clients seeking quick solutions and freelancers expanding their reach. Bark's global network opens doors beyond your local area, though it shines for localized services like personal training, wedding photography, or event planning. Clients simply submit a detailed request, and Bark matches them with qualified pros. Freelancers browse leads and buy credits to send personalized pitches, controlling which projects they pursue. Comprehensive profiles showcase reviews, ratings, and detailed service descriptions. A strong profile builds credibility and attracts clients. Bark's built-in review system highlights reliability and quality. Bark Pro offers enhanced visibility and priority leads for a fee. Bark works best for small businesses, freelancers, and client-focused professionals. While efficient, freelancers pay for leads, so choose wisely. Bark efficiently connects clients and freelancers with a user-friendly interface and focus on quality. Ready to grow your business or find skilled services? Explore Bark. Check the description for links to get started.